Why did you transition from the club to the tickets? Because a lot of people don't understand what hard tickets is. Why did you transition? What was the importance of that?
Like my manager, like early on, like we all really, everybody, we just was learning as we go.
Meezy?
Meezy.
Shout out to him.
So he broke it down to me, like, because at first I'm like, man, fuck that tour. I'm getting 40, 50,000 in the club. Probably like 30, 40,000 in the club at the time. And you want me to go on tour for a month and get $2,000 a show. That's $60,000 for the whole fucking tour. That's 2 club shows, and I'm wasting a whole month. He broke it down to me like, nigga, the most you can get in the club is probably 100,000. It's people who going and doing ticketed shows getting $2-3 million. So if you want to be a who get 100,000 for the rest of their life, keep going to the club. If you want to get $1 million a show, go sacrifice, do this tour, build this audience, then go do your own tour and just keep building on that.
Yeah, so shit. Listen, just for everybody just on them clubs and can't sell no tickets. I done seen that happen where as though motherfucker can't sell no tickets when it's just them on the bill.
Yeah.
In the club, a lot of times you just got promoters, oh, this nigga down here. Not saying that the people in the club is all for you. Yeah, everybody's not for you, but
so a lot of people was at the club because they know the club gonna be popping that night.
Yeah, that's it. The chicks coming out for this dude, so they come. So you got to be mindful of that.